How to fix Bluetooth option not showing on device manager. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix this error. So if you guys have been facing problem with Bluetooth and you're not able to connect with it, then in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the start menu and open settings. Once landed on the settings page, go to Bluetooth and devices. So from here, you should be able to turn your Bluetooth on and off. But if you don't see this option, then there might be a problem with your device manager. So in that case, what you want to do is first check if your airplane mode is turned on or not. Because sometimes you accidentally turn on your airplane mode and all of your connections will be lost. So make sure to turn this one off if it's on. The next step, we're going to have to go to the settings search bar and simply search for system services. Type in services and hit enter. And once you do that, you should be able to see all of these available services. Now just find the Bluetooth support service. Make sure that it's running. If it's not, right click on it, go to properties. And then from here, choose the startup type as automatic if it's on manual. And then click on apply and then OK. Once that is done, make sure to turn on other Bluetooth related services as well. So here is the Bluetooth audio gateway service. I'm going to go to properties, make sure that this is currently running. If not, you can stop it for once. And once you stop it, just go ahead and start it back again. Then click on OK. Do the same thing for the other one where it says user support service. And once all of this is done, give your PC a quick restart and you should be able to find the Bluetooth option on Device Manager. So from here, go ahead and open Device Manager. And on this option here, just go ahead and check if there are any updates on the driver. So scan for hardware changes here, and if you can't find anything, click on the drop down. Right click on the driver, click on update driver, browse automatically. I'm going to click on next. And if it says the best driver is already installed, you'll be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.